Lockdown, people that are in prisons or penitentiaries, please give them some love on a regular basis.
Well, in contrast to a lot of stuff that goes on around Christmas and everything, everybody, champagning and everything, KWANZAA is a clean sort of cultural thing for us. We're talking about things that, enhance our lives, and is not manufactured, so to speak. Right. It's about trying to have something that is innate, that comes from our soul, versus we're trying to create something that have entertainment, so to speak. Nothing wrong with entertainment, but this is, to me, and when I think about KWANZAA, I'm thinking about more of a spiritual thing that is based on giving our kids joy and excitement around this time of year, that's not false, that has some real purpose in it. And it's just a clean deal.
Log on to resourcescholarsshow.com.